Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's start a new discussion on JavaScript beginners to the advanced level. It's been a long time I dropped videos. I'm so sorry. I'll be exploring some other technologies, that's why. And I have a lot of things I have to show you guys. So, we are back again. Quickly, let's start. JavaScript tutorial. JavaScript is the world's most popular programming language. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. JavaScript is easy to learn. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to the advanced level. Then, why do we need to study JavaScript? Why studying JavaScript? JavaScript is one of the 3 languages all web developers must learn. First one is the HTML. Second one is the CSS. The third one here is JavaScript. We have covered some basic and some little out of the advanced level of the HTML and also the CSS also. But right now, we are starting our new series on JavaScript entirely. So I want us to please be active because I'm going to be dropping some serious stuffs concerning JavaScript. So let's continue, please. This tutorial covers every version of JavaScript. The original JavaScript ES1, ES2, ES3, 1997 to 1999. The first main revision is ES5, which is 2009. The second revision is ES6, 2015. All yearly additions is 2016, 17, 18, 19 to 2020. So I just want you to confirm something. JavaScript program the behavior of web pages. I want you to have this on your mind. JavaScript program the behavior of web pages. And again, I want you to note one thing. JavaScript is the programming language of the web. So those 2 things, I want you to grab it. So we are going to explore more about this in later. Let's skip to the next level. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye and to the next.